Hi friends, today I am discussing about 10th class mathematics coordinate geometry chapter exercise 7.1. Okay, go to the first question. Find the distance between the following pair of points. Find the distance between the following pair of points. Okay, go to the first bit. Go to the first bit. The coordinates are 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. So this is x1. This is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay. The distance between 2 points formula is x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Okay. So distance is equal to root of square root of x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 minus 2 whole square is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 whole square is minus 2 whole square. So square root of 4 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 4 square root of 8. Square root of 8 can be written as 2 into 4. Okay, therefore the answer is 2 into root 2. Okay, go to the next bit. Second bit is minus 5 7 minus 1 3. Right. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. The distance between 2 points formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to x2 is minus 1 minus x1 is minus 5 whole square plus y2. y2 is 3 minus y1 is 7 whole square under root. Okay. So is equal to minus 1 minus of minus plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square under root is equal to minus 1 plus 5 4 4 square plus minus 4 whole square is minus 4 into minus 4 plus okay 16 square root of 4 square is 16 plus 16 is equal to square root of 32. Square root of 32 can be written as 2 into 16. So this is equal to square root of 16 is 4. 4 root 2 is the answer. Go to the third bit. Okay. So this is minus 2 minus 3 and 3 2. Minus 2 minus 3 and 3 2. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. The distance between 2 points is square root of 2 minus x1 whole square plus square root of y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. x2 minus x1 whole square is 3 minus minus of 2 whole square plus y2. y2 is 2 minus minus of 3 square under root. Okay, 3 minus of minus 2 is 3 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 3 is 2 plus 3 whole square under root. 3 plus 2 whole square is 3 plus 2 5. 5 square is 25. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 whole square 25. So square root of 25 plus 25. Square root of 50. Square root of 50 means square root of 2 into 25. Okay. The value is 5 into root 2 units. Go to the fourth bit. This is x1. This is y1. This is x2. This is y2. Okay. Distance between 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. x2 is minus a minus x1 is minus a whole square plus y2 is minus b minus y1 is minus b whole square under root. Okay, square root of minus a minus 2a minus 2a whole square means minus 2a into minus 2a plus 4a square plus minus b minus 2b minus 2b into minus 2b minus 2b whole square means 4b square. So square root of 4 into a square plus b square. So the final step is square root of 4 is 2 into root of a square plus b square. Okay, here I am again repeating this. Minus a is minus 2a. Minus 2a square means minus 2a into minus 2a is plus 4a square, because minus into minus plus. Okay, in the same way minus 2b here, minus 2b minus b minus 2b minus 2b whole square means minus 2b into minus 2b. So is equal to plus minus into minus plus 4b square. This is in rough. Okay.